Just look at how far that has gone. Very well done by Jamin Navas. His variations of pace are top class. That is comprehensive. That is the end. That travel too is 1 for 4. There's one for the Yorker, but he's just short, missed his length. This is a high quality over. Delaro Fernando. Now he's got hold of this one though. That's a good shot. That's very, very well hit. And to reach for that. This is well done by Sarilanka. That's into the crowd. That's big. It's 6. It's gone a long way. Get the hard hands on. Locked at it. Has it got the distance? Has it got the distance? No, it hasn't. Voila. That's a style. That's a big one. Will he get there in time? He won't. Somebody's got a hard one. A difficult one. Well taken. Well taken. People taking much longer. That's typical dismissal for England. Freely swinging, so you can't hit a Yorker. Style, gone all the way. How will that carry? Will it ever carry? A horror night for Sarilanka. Ends with a 6 off his last ball. To the air, it should be taken. Firstly and getting underneath it. And Pakistan striking early. Bowling! He's done it! I said he had a chance to make amends. But how quick was that from his? Both more. That's in the air. He didn't get off. He gets the shot off the ground. He gets on the back. Pick this up nicely. That's a terrific shot. Oh, it's ball in front. Unlucky. With the ball off the bat, goes back onto the stumps. In the air and between the fielders. Very good looking player as well. He's got 2 eyes. Just past the people before. Again, the spin is down. This will be a very interesting foul again. We get it up in the air. I'm not sure if it's got the distance. What a catch. That was a very nice and taken catch. This time he gets it. He gets it. Oh no, it's gone before. Bowling! That really strikes. That's a big hit for Pakistan. It's 111 for 5. High up on the bat, it's going to be a soft catch. Takes a single catch, full on goal, takes 6 to that wicket, and it's going Pakistan's way. That could be another one. Yes! Upbeat again, making no mistake. Winning strikes again in his final over. There's that good toss. That's 6 number 150. Another big one, it's another one. There we go.
quickly giving mixed signal. Here he goes, chance for Yunus Khan. This time he takes a magnificent catch. Brilliantly done. Will this be taken? Another magnificent take by Yunus Khan. What a fielder, what a team player. Slow delivery will take a run. Pakistan win this time. They win by 23 runs.